Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC, P0011 is triggered when there is a malfunction in the Variable Valve Timing Control, VTC system, specifically related to the A system. This code indicates that the phase difference between the command given to the camshaft and the actual position of the intake camshaft is beyond acceptable limits. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects this inconsistency and stores the code for further analysis. The VTC system plays a crucial role in optimizing engine performance by adjusting the timing of the intake valves, thus improving efficiency and emissions. The general location of the VTC components is near the engine's cylinder head, where the camshaft is situated. Understanding this code is crucial for maintaining optimal performance in a Honda Civic 2022 or newer model. The error code P0011 pertains to a malfunction in the Variable Valve Timing Control (VTC) system, relating specifically to the intake camshaft's phase control. The primary component affected is the VTC actuator, which alters the timing based on commands from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If the actuator cannot adjust correctly, it results in a phase difference that exceeds predetermined limits. This system is critical for ensuring the engine operates efficiently at various speeds and loads, helping to optimize fuel economy. The typical location of the VTC actuator is near the cylinder head, closely associated with the intake camshaft, which is why any failure or discrepancy could lead to significant performance issues. Several potential causes can lead to the P0011 error code. A faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve A is a primary suspect. If it is malfunctioning, it may fail to manage the oil flow necessary for VTC operations. Additionally, insufficient engine oil can exacerbate the issue. Low levels may prevent adequate lubrication and hydraulic pressure needed for the system to function correctly. The third common cause is clogged oil passages within the VTC system, which can restrict oil flow and disrupt timing adjustments. Recognizing these possibilities allows for focused troubleshooting efforts, simplifying the repair process and restoring proper engine functionality. When dealing with a P0011 code, drivers may notice several symptoms indicative of a problem with the VTC system. One common symptom is reduced engine performance, as the inability to adjust the camshaft timing optimally can lead to a lack of power and responsiveness. Furthermore, the check engine light will typically activate, alerting the driver to a malfunction within the engine management system. Additionally, increased engine noise, particularly at idle, can be observed. This is often due to improper valve timing, leading to rough idling. Being aware of these symptoms can prompt quicker diagnostic efforts, minimizing further damage to the vehicle. The first step in troubleshooting the P0011 code starts with turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to conduct an in-VTC test, which specifically assesses the VTC system's operational status. If the HDS results indicate a failure, this confirms that the malfunction associated with the DTC is indeed duplicated, and further inspection is warranted. This initial test is essential for understanding whether the issue is intermittent or persistent, and sets the stage for the next steps in the diagnostic process. Knowing the outcome of this procedure will direct subsequent inspection efforts effectively. The second troubleshooting step involves taking the vehicle for a test drive at a consistent speed between 25 to 75 miles per hour, which is approximately 40 to 120 kilometers per hour, for a duration of 10 minutes. This step is critical to simulate normal operating conditions, allowing the VTC system to engage fully. During this time, it's essential to confirm that the HDS shows the VTC status as on, indicating that the system is operational and responding to input correctly. Simultaneously, monitoring the HDS for the reappearance of the P0011 DTC is crucial. This confirms whether the issue is active and can provide insight into the conditions leading to the malfunction, guiding technicians in fine-tuning diagnosis further. After performing repairs related to the P0011 code, it is imperative to conduct a final verification process to ensure that the system operates as intended. Start by clearing the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using the diagnostic tool. Following this, a test drive is necessary to assess the vehicle's performance and confirm that the issue has indeed been resolved. Throughout this testing, continuously monitor the system for any reoccurrence of the P0011 code. Successful repairs will result in normal operation without the activation of the DTC, thus verifying that the appropriate components, such as the VTC oil control solenoid and oil passages, are functioning correctly. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding future occurrences of the P0011 code and ensuring the optimal performance of the VTC system. Regular oil changes will maintain clean and adequate engine oil, which is crucial for the smooth operation of the VTC components. Additionally, routinely monitoring engine oil levels will help prevent low oil situations, which can adversely affect the hydraulic functions of the system. Furthermore, a periodic inspection of the VTC system itself, including checking for any debris or clogs in the oil passages, will help catch potential issues before they escalate. By implementing these preventive opportunities, vehicle owners can prolong the life of their VTC system and maintain engine efficiency. In summary, the DTC P0011 indicates a problem with the variable valve timing control system that affects engine performance. Understanding the implications of this code is essential for addressing the malfunction effectively. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps, beginning with diagnostic tests and leading through verification after repairs, enables a structured approach to resolving the issue. Additionally, implementing preventive measures such as regular oil changes and inspections of the VTC system can significantly contribute to preventing future occurrences of this DTC. By maintaining awareness and acting promptly, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Civic operates optimally and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!